Meet Echo Spot.
Hi there.
A compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
The all-new Echo Spot from Amazon.
Rock to the color of your music with the IBT28 from iHome. This Bluetooth color-changing dual alarm clock radio is always ready to get the party started. Choose from a full spectrum of lighting modes and colors that will complement your favorite tunes with a visual performance like no other. With the press of a button, the IBT28 illuminates your favorite color, cycles through all the colors, or even changes color to the beat of the music and more. To adjust the brightness and intensity of your light effects, simply tap the snooze bar. You can even wake to a light show of color including dawn, flashing, and glowing sequences. Plus, with Bluetooth audio or FM radio, you'll always sleep soundly and wake up glowing. Designed with Resonate speaker chamber technology, the IBT28 will light up your room with an audio performance filled with depth, clarity, and superior sound. The IBT28 is a dual alarm system featuring Sure Alarm battery backup, an auxiliary line-in jack, and a convenient USB port to charge your smartphone or other devices. Be the light of the party with the IBT28 from iHome.
Innovation and you. Philips. Start your mornings fully charged with the Electrohome USB clock radio. This full-featured alarm clock brings you convenience and reliability every morning when you need it most. With a built-in USB port, you'll never be looking for the charger of your smartphone again. And with the swivel time projection, this clock makes for an easy, stress-free viewing. All you have to do is open your eyes. We've included all the features you need to get your day started right with Electrohome.